Hi everyone, I'm Don Taylor, and tonight my guest is Jim Hewson. Jim, when did you first decide to become a broadcaster?
Don, don't you think we should just be focusing on the game?
All right, we'll have to reschedule the interview.
Yager turned aside by Belfour.
Not in my net. Not just then, anyway.
Sundin pulls some fancy moves.
If that was me, I would have pulled a muscle.
It's one-on-one. Yager whips it. Belfour made the brilliant save. Roberts. Sundin gets hold of the puck. Lidstrom. Toronto has it now. He mows over McGillney. Lidstrom takes possession of the puck. Yager. Toronto touches up for the icing call. Cross fires it, misses. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit.
Where you'll see your favorite players compete in exciting.
Toronto jumps to attention at the bench.
Uh-oh, looks like we got us a situation. A player hurt situation. Yep, his injuries must be serious. There's a fight going on.
You know, Don, some people say this shouldn't be part of the game. Some people say it should, and others are just willing to fight over it. Well, it's pretty clear who won that one.
Yep, Jim, for one guy it's success, for the other guy it just hurts.
Shoots the puck, blocked. Yzerman jumps on the loose puck.
Major for fighting. Toronto penalty to number 27, Shane Corson.
Fires it. Belfour closes the door. Detroit has that penalty kill over with. Roberts with the puck.
Maybe an octopus could have stopped him. Maybe.
Roberts takes control of the puck. Renberg has it. Legacy makes the save. Robitaille.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Robitaille shoots the puck. Toronto puts its third line out. Sundin. Icing called against Toronto. Timonen shoots! Smith stops the shot! Renberg. Green. Legacy with a great save! McCauley walks around him.
You call that a walk, Jim?
Lemieux. Belfour denies him. And he covers up. Neuendijk won the face-off. Oderline, backhand. McGillney. With a blistering shot, Legacy turned the shot aside. Stoned by Legacy. Saved by Legacy.
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
And they get called for icing. McCabe shoots the puck. It's one-on-one. Saved by Belfour.
And you can add one more save to his personal stat sheet.
McGillney corrals the puck. Yushkevich takes it. Toronto with it now. Yushkevich shoots. Legacy made the save. Chelios. Shoved.
It looks like the strong arm gave him weak legs.
Last minute of play is
Smolinski. Shoots the puck. Healy.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make.
items can be viewed and bid on.
Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff.
All proceeds go to Hockey Fights Cancer.
With bated breath, we all anticipate a barn burner of a period here.
Let's gear up for another rousing go of hockey done right. Renberg. Corson had the puck. Solani now with it. With a wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Belfour. Belfour freezes the puck. Toronto takes it. Corson grabs it. Robitaille steals the pass. Lidstrom corrals the puck. Hammered!
An out-of-this-world hit that just about knocked him into orbit.
Renberg grabbed the puck. It's one-on-one. Shoots it! Renberg jumps on the loose puck. Corson fires it from the right. Yager gets the pass from Legacy Robitaille. Yager had the puck. Wrist shot. Belfour turns him away.
When in doubt, do what he did.
Corson gets rubbed off the puck.
That from the artist currently known as hit.
The ref indicates a delayed call against Chelios. Chelios will serve time for cross-checking.
Oh, look. There goes Mr. Penley. Off to the box.
Detroit will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Yzerman has been nailed for interference.
He's going to sit down in the penalty box, Jim. But what he doesn't know is we've concealed a tiny camera to record his every movement while he's in there. Rats! Where'd that TV monitor go?
Toronto. Roberts scores! Top shelf!
When you translate an extra man on the ice into an extra goal in the net, you're speaking the language I call great hot.
Detroit has now got a one-goal cliff to climb.
Jim, it's really more of a molehill at this stage. But I guess still, some of those molehills can be pretty steep sometimes.
Yzerman with the puck. Fires! Scores! Detroit has evened it up as we approach the end of the second.
Is this what they mean when they talk about a level playing field? Or is that just soccer? Or all sports?
Okay, let's go back to the live action. Please. Williams. Nylander controls the puck. DeVries. Healy took it. Tucker gets it. McCauley has it now. Delayed call. Odeline will get the gate for cross-checking.
No one wants to go to the penalty box, Jim, but he kind of has to.
Number 7, Lyle
Sundin with the puck. Brewer gets the pass from Legacy. McGillney takes control of the puck. Roberts. Legacy makes the save.
Look at him. He's like, is that the best you can do?
McGillney jumps on the loose puck. Offside, Toronto. Lemieux is a dreamy face-off guy.
He was on the cover of Teen Beat's fall issue on Centerman.
Odeline skates back onto the ice. The power play is over. Green. It's one-on-one. Shoots the puck. Great glove.
You know, I hear Abe Lincoln had a pretty decent shot in his day.
Odeline. Mowed down. Corson gets hold of the puck. Corson dangles the puck out there with one hand.
And pulls it right back in. Sweet.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Turned away by Legacy. Toronto has a teammate in a not-so-good situation.
This could be a potentially serious injury, but I really, really hope not. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
Sundin gets pushed off the puck.
That hit just knocked over the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Toronto gets it. Smolinski. McCabe gobbles it up. Roberts. Sundin gets caught offside and play is stopped. Yzerman. Solani has it. Misses. Delayed penalty call for Toronto.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
Bring 3 non-perishable food items and receive a free team poster.
Woo-wee! This has been one heck of a tight battle so far.
It's on to the third period where the action is a-happening.
Penalty to number 14,
Robitaille.
Greg DeVries, 2 minutes for cross-check.
Shoots the puck. Saved by Belfour.
A dog with one of those lampshade things on his head could have stopped that one.
And he covers up for the face-off. Brewer shoots the puck. Saved by Belfour. Sundin. takes control of the puck. Shatan. Yager gets checked.
That hit left one guy confident and one guy confidented.
Belfour made the save. Sundin. Roberts rifles a shot. Saved by Legacy. Timonen. McCabe jumps on the loose puck. Stoned cold by Legacy. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Nylander wins the draw. Westland corrals the puck. Wrist shot from the right. The door is shut by Belfour. Belfour hangs on for the whistle. Roberts. Sundin now with the puck. Breakaway. Mogilny. Denied by Legacy.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Fired it. Belfour with a tremendous save. Mogilny. McCabe scoops up the loose puck. Tucker. With a wrist shot. Stoned by Legacy.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Belfour slams the door shut.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not.
Healy. Shoots it. Legacy. Great save. Legacy stoned him cold. Lemieux. Yzerman fires it. DeVries picks up the puck from Belfour. Tucker. He dumps it in on the inboards. Lemieux shot the puck. Belfour denied him. Belfour hangs on for the whistle. Roberts. Toronto beats out the icing call. Robitaille. Belfour stones him cold.
He roams around the crease with the greatest of ease.
Belfour hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Belfour shut the door.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Smith. Green. Shoots. Legacy denies him. Lemieux. Yzerman stoned cold by Belfour.
It didn't exactly test his limits, though, Jim. I'm rating that save E for easy.
Green.
In the third period.
Tick-tock, nobody's scoring. This game's boring.
Mogilny gets bumped off the puck. Solani. Lemieux moved it. Robitaille. Belfour. Walker save.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
Mogilny. Legacy denies him. Robitaille. Yushkevich knocks him off the puck. McLean. Yushkevich now has it. Toronto in control now. Lidstrom runs over Antropov.
There's a hit which leaves no doubts, only dents.
Yager. Belfour closed the door.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Nylander shoots.
At the end of the third, all that's been decided is we're going into overtime.
It's the toughest period of hockey. Overtime.
This is gonna be good.
Lemieux won the faceoff. Renberg grabs the puck. The Maple Leafs dump it in. Smith has it. Green fires. Brewer gets in the... He scores!
You know, a goal like that only comes once in overtime.
How insightful. And so ends another chapter in the great book of hockey. Detroit has given up the losing goal.
You've got to shake your head a bit on